Hello everyone. First of all, I would like to express my sincere thanks to all the participants who are taking part in this Koha and data migration workshop. The purpose of this workshop is only to share the experience and knowledge with those participants or those friends who are really interested to learn Koha and data migration, and they do not find opportunity to go in person and learn all this. So just I thought of having one program for 1 hour every day so that we can share the experiences with each other and we can take part in this Koha and data migration workshop. So I welcome all the participants who are taking part in this workshop, and I hope that you all will be taking part actively. My request to all of you is that every day I will be sharing one video. So based on that, you need to practice every day, and along with video I will be sharing the exercises also. So I request you all to practice on the exercises which I share with the video. The next important thing is that in the previous mail I sent some of the requirement which you need to keep ready so that we can start the workshop, and in that I requested to download the Ubuntu 16.04 or 18.04 LTS long-term support version. And the second requirement I mentioned that you must have the internet connection. So I hope you all have these two, Ubuntu ISO image and the internet connection. And along with that, either you must have the pen drive of 4 GB capacity of or more than that, or any you can have the 4.75 DVD, 4.75 GB. But for that you need to have the DVD writer so that you can write the ISO image in the DVD. So in this video I will be demonstrating that how you can create the ISO, means a bootable pen drive, or you can write the DVD in DVD the ISO image, and based on that you need to install in your computer, and then we will start working on the workshop. So I hope you all are ready now to participate in this workshop. Once again I welcome you all, and I express my sincere thanks to all of you for taking active part in this Koha and data migration workshop. My humble request to all that every day at least spend 1 hour time and do the practice on regular basis, so that we will not have any gap in the practice. And also if you have any doubt or any clarification if you require, you can send me mail or you can communicate through WhatsApp also. My number and email ID I hope you all have. If it is not, you can find in the previous mail. So thank you all. Let's start now and learn Koha and data migration.